Hey team, today is Friday and we're off to afternoon training. So mate, I think we're doing the big test. Time to get in. Basically, I'm pretty sure we're doing a beat test tonight. So we've got to change all the lane ropes.
I'm back.
Alright, we've got to line up. Beep test. Beep test.
Oh. I like your goggles. Bang you, man.
Okay, so we're doing a beat test.
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Ready? Start level 1, 1. Level 1, 2. Level 5, 3.
You're out.
Big bro.
Mate, that was tough. I just kept kicking my foot on the lane rope.
Yeah, me too. That's all okay.
My guy. Okay, training done. Gonna be at the game in 3, 2, 1. What are your match predictions? Okay. Tonight the Phoenix are playing in not their usual colours. They're usually playing the yellow and black. But tonight we're actually playing in purple shirts and green shorts. That is because of the mental health awareness match. Hey, Kingy. Let's go! 1-0. So half time, it's 1-0. Met my mate Blair. Who's that? Come on, the Knicks. Good ball. Go, boy! Oh! Gary, who's one? Oh! Oh! Come on! No! Scenes! Come on, mate. Gotta get it now. Go on. Oh. No! No! If you're on the field right now, Samuel Kingy, what would you say?
Wait.
No.
Tell him to wake up.
great game. Heading home now. Stay safe, and I'll catch you.